Every aluminum pressure cooker begins with high-purity aluminum ingots. Each batch is identified. This determines the durability and safety of the cooker. Before production begins, every batch of aluminium is carefully tested. Manufacturing standards. Only approved ingots move to raw metal begins its transformations. Passed from inspection, the ingots enter the melting furnace. Heated to over 700 degrees, they transform into molten metal. Engineers monitor before the refining stage.
With the aluminum fully melted, engineers carefully refine the molten metal. Next, argon gas is injected hydrogen. While impurities reining, the aluminum is clean.
Automated saws cut continuous filters before entering a stit vesicent of this forus, the ensimpolitist and progen steris so side. The contrarily protendiscan distisipase decided measurement. The thick plates are now cold rolled. The metal becomes thinner and smoother. Laser sensors monitor the process. Finished sheets are wound into large coils. Cold rolling makes the aluminium stronger. Internal stresses. The heat relieves internal stresses, and inspected, the aluminium is ready for precision sheet reparation. After annealing, the coils are unrolled. Precision leveling removes every wave. CNC shears cut them into rectangular panels. They move to the blanking department.
The precision-cut aluminium sheets now enter the blanking department. Here, powerful hydraulic presses and surface quality. Stacks are transferred to the deep drawing process.
Before forming begins, each aluminium blank receives a precisely controlled coating of metal-forming lubricant. Attic inspects rheumatic friction, prevents surface scratches. The precision-cut aluminium disc now enters the deep drawing press. This creates a strong, seamless cooker body, preparing it for trimming and machining in the next stage. First deep drawing hardens the stretched aluminium. To restore flexibility, bodies pass through a furnace. Controlled relieves internal stresses. After cooling, each body is ready for the second deep drawing operation. After intermediate annealing, the softened aluminium returns. This second draw increases the height and refines the shape. Every cooker body is measured for dimensional accuracy. The fully formed cooker body now enters the bottom thickening station. A powerful hydraulic forging press fold force, increasing its strength, improving heat distribution during cooking.
After the base is strengthened, the pressure cooker body moves to the precision rim trimming station. Here, a CNC carbide cutting tool removes excess aluminium from the precision-trimmed cooker body now enters the rim curling station. Hardened steel rollers gradually shape the upper edge into a strong, rounded sealing lip. This reinforced.
With the rim complete, it enters the CNC department. Carbide tools drill holes according to specifications. Each hole is deburred and measured to ensure alignment. The body continues to the lid section. While the cooker body continues toward final assembly, a parallel production line begins manufacturing its matching lid. Precision blanking presses cut perfectly round aluminium discs. The precision-cut aluminium lid blank now enters the deep drawing press. Under carefully controlled hydraulic pressure, the flat disc is gradually formed into the shallow domed shape of the pressure. The formed lid now enters the CNC machining center. High-precision carbide tools drill the central vent hole and the safety valve hole with exceptional accuracy. Each opening, with the precision holes complete, the lid enters. A stainless steel vent tube is positioned. Automated inspection systems verify its alignment. The finished lid then moves to the next station.
Scene 23. Safety valve installation. The lid moves to the next station. The safety valve is precisely positioned. Inspection checks every valve. It ensures correct operation under pressure.
On a parallel production line, the pressure regulator, commonly known as the whistle, is manufactured from food-grade aluminium. High-precision CNC machines shape.
Safe handling is ensured by Bakelite handles. These are molded under high pressure. Trimmings and metal inserts are precisely fitted. After inspection, each handle goes to assembly. The pressure cooker lid is now completed with its heat-resistant Bakelite handle. An automated servo screwdriver tightens the mounting hardware to an exact torque.
At the final assembly station, every component comes together. Automated systems verify that every part is correct. The cooker is now ready for testing.
Before a pressure cooker can be approved, it must pass a hydrostatic leak test. The cooker is filled with water and pressurized well above its operating pressure. Advanced inspection. Every pressure cooker undergoes a live steam pressure test. Water is heated until steam pressure reaches operating level. Engineers verify the performance. Only cookers that complete the full cycle are approved. Every pressure cooker now receives its permanent identity. A precision laser engraves branding and serial numbers directly onto the surface. Each QR code is scanned. Every cooker enters the automated packaging line. Accessories are added before it is wrapped and packed. After final checks, each package is approved. Shipment begins to customers around the world. The manufacturing journey is now complete. Finished pressure cookers are automatically palletized, wrapped for protection, and recorded in the warehouse inventory system. After